It's final time and Kolkata will rock. The big guns are in town. It's the Chennai Super Kings versus the Mumbai Indians.
Over the 8 years of the Pepsi IPL, this is the team that has won more matches than anybody else. Won 2 IPLs and they're in their 6th final now. And it is a galaxy of stars. So here we go. Ashish Nehra with the first ball. Rohit and Simmons. Parthiv took 1/3 of a single and came back. If he is shot here, this is a sensational start. They are celebrating like they won the Chennai Super Kings already.
Let's just have a look. Hardeep Patel, not the quickest, brilliant bit of fielding. And he's out. That's unbelievable. But Duplessis.
Hardeep Patel's got to go. And the Mumbai Indians run for one.
Third man will watch it go. It's the first big run in the final. A yes back maximum. And now it's along the ground. And I think he'll be convinced, as indeed we are, that it was controlled and intentional. And there he goes again. He's looking good, Rohit Sharma here. 16 came from that over. It's 17 for 1 after 2. Oh, just over. Oh, and he's found the gap. A few prettier batsmen in world cricket than Rohit Sharma when he's batting. There is no fielder there. And easy too, that's a full toss. The Mumbai Indians. What was that? Not being in trouble when the first wicket fell. They banished the thought.
Gets this one away. That's nicely played. And straight away, Simmons on the attack. That's up in the air. And will clear the boundary easily. Never full toss, loose delivery. And one bounce over the rope. Another big over this. The Mumbai Indians motoring along. 61 runs in power play for the loss of 1. You get 170, 180. You have the opposition on the back foot. Another boundary, a beautiful placement. That's up in the air. And it goes a long, long way. It's a yes bank maximum. So Rohit Sharma here just not allowing the bowlers to settle down. This is brilliant batting.
Big shot. Another one. Another one deposited in the crowd. Superb from Simmons. Leading edge. Oh! Great effort. Tantalizingly close. He got hands to it, Pawanegi, but couldn't keep a hold of it. Shot. Oh, beautiful. He's played so well as Rohit Simmons. Gift accepted gleefully. 4 runs. Shot. Right in the gap. 4 runs. Cut away and gone for 4 more.
You know, they're my best 2 bowlers and I hope they do pretty well.
Another one up to the fence. A superb shot that from Sharma. It brings up 50. In the final, the captain leading from the front. And look at that. It's come off just 25 balls. Outstanding from Sharma.
Okay, buddy.
Man up there. Taken. Comfortable catch. It was not out the middle of the bat at all. And there's the break that they were after.
But if Pollard gets going, look out, there's no ground big enough for him.
Got him! There's another! Straight away!
Not only that, he gets his West Indian teammate, Rohit and Simmons.
But this one is a Pollard special, so he comes back right at the end. It's 134 for 3. Oh, he's taking him on.
Oh, you can't set a fielder for that. 40 rows back. That is massive. Flicked away for 4. That's up in the air, into the crowd. Now Pollard goes again. 6 more. Oh, what a shot that is. This time it's Raidu. That is brilliant. It's just pure timing. Oh, what a shot. That is brilliantly played. The 6. That gets even the master on his feet. Not been consistent enough. That should be taken. Yes. Suresh Raina doesn't miss out.
He's gone for 36. 191 for 4.
That's a full toss. And a very good catch. Suresh Raina once again takes some beauty.
Banja gone for none. It's 191 for 5.
Oh, that's a fine hit. That's a brilliant hit from Baji. Oh, unlucky. So Yorker to finish off. 20 overs bowled. It's 202 for 5. And that's after MS Dhoni won the toss, decided to bat first. The Mumbai Indians will take the score.
That's a huge target. 203.
First ball to Greensmith. Oh, what a first ball. Oh, he's found the gap. First runs for the Chennai Super Kings. It's a great outfield. It just kept running further and further away from the fielder.
It's fast, isn't it? Really, really fast outfield.
Well, it doesn't matter. Not quite the most authoritative shot, but it put 6 on the board. Oh, just over. Just over. And he'll breathe a little better.
Oh, he's taken that. And Suchit handled this beautifully. He wasn't sure. He told the umpires they've taken a look and Hussey has to depart. Oh, lucky. There was no one at second slip. So he takes the aerial route. He goes over point and finds the boundary. Much needed now. Last over of power play. They're going to come hard. Here's Pandya. And a boundary of the first ball after the break. And that's what they need, the Chennai Super Kings. A couple of big overs to get some momentum going. Now he's got that fine and enough bat on it. He's found the gap this time. So a nice way to end the over.
Smash that hard. Chennai Super Kings and Rohit Smith need more of this. He's gone straight, he's gone big. And it's into the ground. It's a yes man maximum from Raina to end the over at 67 for 1. He made good contact, 2 fielders in the deep, and he split the gap. Gets into a good position, Raina, nobody at deep fine leg. Nicely brought to me. Width provided, just opening the face of the bat. 50 for Dwayne Smith. That's his 8th boundary. 11 overs bowled. It's 81 for 1. He's hammered that. Can he do it? Tricky one. Up goes the finger. Richard Ellingworth, the umpire had no hesitation.
So Smith, after a good innings, gone. It's 88 for 2. There is a fielder there, but not much good. Beautifully done by Harbhajan Singh. Parthiv Patel was up to it as well. This is the big wicket. And there he goes right away. Likes the ball coming on. Now third man, easy. Simmons doesn't drop too many. McLennan gets one more. That'll be 4. Oh, a shot. Doesn't matter how many left. But Mahendra Singh Dhoni has it one into his own change room. Oh, that is it. Surely that has to be it. A bit of help from the pad. But that doesn't matter. It's gone on to hit the stumps. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni, it's almost as if that last slide has been put off now for the Chennai Super Kings.
Rohit and Lendl batted and they laid the foundation, followed by Raidu, Pollard. All round very good performance.
That's the wicket will go upstairs.
The Duplessis gone. He's gone for a duck. He's gone for 1.
In the air, comfortable. Another one bites the dust.
It's 134 for 7.
Long way up in the air, another opportunity for a catch. And the night continues to go swimmingly for the Mumbai Indians. Good strike, very good. That's gone a long way. Oh, he's got another one. He's absolutely smoked that. 6 more. Long way up in the air. Nobody's gone after the ball. It's gone off the ball. But they've swarmed onto the field. The men in blue, the Mumbai Indians, they win by 41 runs and are champions of IPL 2015. Deservedly so.